Hey thinkers, I'm Jess, a licensed therapist specializing in both mental health and addiction. I wanted to cover locus of control. What is it and why is it important? The concept of internal and external locus of control are psychological terms used to describe a person's beliefs about the underlying causes of events in their lives. Here's a breakdown of each. An internal locus of control refers to a belief that a person has control over their lives and their outcomes. People with an internal locus of control tend to contribute their success and failures to their own abilities, efforts, and choices. They believe that their actions can influence the events that shape their lives. They have a sense of personal empowerment and take responsibilities for their own actions and behaviors. In contrast to an external locus of control, which reflects that external factors such as luck, fate, chance, or other powers controls one's life and outcomes. People with an external locus of control may contribute their success or failures to luck, destiny, or circumstances beyond their control. They may feel helpless or dependent on external factors and may perceive less personal agency in shaping their lives. The importance that locus of control has in people's lives is an influence on a person's attitudes, behaviors, and overall well-being. Here are some benefits of having an internal locus of control. People with an internal locus of control tend to be more motivated, take initiative, and persist in the face of challenges. They believe that their efforts can lead to positive outcomes, which leads to a higher level of achievement. On the flip side, those with an external locus of control may feel less motivated and are more likely to attribute their failures to external factors, leading to decreased efforts and achievement and coping with stress. Those with an external locus of control may perceive stressors as overwhelming and beyond their control, leading to feelings of helplessness and increased vulnerability to stress-related problems. Research suggests that an internal locus of control is associated with better physical and mental health outcomes. Those with an internal locus of control may engage in healthier behaviors, such as regularly exercising, which doesn't have to be intense, seeking medical care, and adopting positive coping strategies. They may also experience greater life satisfaction. Locus of control is not an all or nothing concept. People may exhibit varying degrees of internal and external locus of control across different areas of their lives. However, developing an internal locus of control can be empowering, and it encourages you to take charge of your actions, make proactive choices, and strive for personal growth and success. All of that sounds pretty nice, right? So what do you think of locus of control? Do you think you have more of an internal locus of control or an external locus of control? Leave your thoughts down in the comments. Also, be sure to give this video a like. It helps get it in front of people that could really use the information the most. If you want to watch more content, click up here for a video. Who knows what it may be, so be sure to click it to find out. And as always, stay positive and take care of yourself.